Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, let's tap on them. And now we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts and sync. Basically, you have to find this section because as you can see, we've got also the Google option. And obviously you can add or remove a Google account using it. But I personally prefer to do it using this option. So let me tap on it. And here we have to tap on Add Account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. And let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. Now we can go back, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it also whenever you want to. Just tap on this account, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock or reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to add or remove a Google account. So this is how to manage Google account in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.